Lottery winnings can be a significant windfall, but they also come with certain risks and complications. One way to protect your assets and minimize your tax liability is to establish a limited liability company, LLC, for your lottery winnings. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of LLC for lottery winnings and provide a step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC for lottery winnings. Let's discuss the benefits of LLC for lottery winnings. 1. Asset protection. An LLC provides asset protection by separating personal assets from business assets. This means that in case of legal disputes or bankruptcy, your personal assets will not be affected by the business losses. When you set up an LLC for lottery winnings, the LLC will own the lottery winnings, and you will be protected from personal liability. 2. Tax benefits. LLCs offer several tax benefits. For instance, an LLC is a pass-through entity, which means that the income generated by the LLC is passed through to the owners, and they pay taxes on their personal tax returns. This can result in lower tax rates for the owners. Additionally, LLCs are not subject to double taxation, which is a common issue with corporations. 3. Privacy. Lottery winners are often besieged by media and public attention, which can be overwhelming. By setting up an LLC for lottery winnings, you can maintain your privacy. The LLC will be the legal owner of the lottery winnings, and you can remain anonymous. 4. Estate planning. An LLC can be an excellent tool for estate planning. You can transfer the ownership of the LLC to your heirs through a trust or will, which can help avoid probate and minimize estate taxes. 5. Flexibility. LLCs offer flexibility in terms of management and ownership. You can choose to manage the LLC yourself or appoint a manager. Additionally, ownership in an LLC is represented by membership interests, which can be easily transferred to others. Now that you understand the benefits of setting up an LLC for lottery winnings, let's look at the steps involved in doing so. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in setting up an LLC is to choose a name for your company. The name should be unique and not already taken by another business. You can check the availability of the name by visiting your state's business registration website. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company that is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is located. Step 3. File articles of organization. You will need to file articles of organization with your state's business registration office. This document outlines the basic information about your LLC, such as the name, address, registered agent, and members. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership, management, and operation of your LLC. It is not a requirement in all states, but it is highly recommended. Step 5. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on your state and the type of business you plan to conduct, you may need to obtain business licenses and permits. Step 6. Obtain an EIN. An EIN is a unique identification number that is used for tax purposes. You can obtain an EIN from the IRS website. Step 7. Transfer lottery winnings to the LLC. This will ensure that the LLC is the legal owner of the lottery winnings. Step 8. Manage your LLC. You can manage your LLC yourself or appoint a manager. You will need to keep accurate records and file tax returns for your LLC. In conclusion, setting up an LLC for lottery winnings can provide significant benefits, including asset protection, tax benefits, privacy, estate planning, and flexibility. By following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can establish your LLC quickly and easily. It's important to note that the process may vary slightly depending on the state where you are setting up your LLC, so it's always a good idea to consult with a business attorney or tax professional to ensure that you are meeting all the necessary requirements. In addition to setting up an LLC, it's also important to develop a financial plan for your lottery winnings. This plan should include a budget, savings strategy, and investment plan. It's crucial to make sure that you are using your winnings wisely and not overspending or making poor financial decisions. Overall, setting up an LLC for lottery winnings can provide many benefits and protections. By taking the time to establish your LLC and develop a solid financial plan, you can ensure that your lottery winnings provide long-term benefits and security for you and your family. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.